River originates from the Brahmagiri hills is Kaveri. The Trans-Himalayan river is Sutlej. The Alamatti is on the river Krishna. The home for freshwater dolphins is Ganga. The origin of Godavari is in Nasik. The longest river in India is Ganga. The river originates from Gangotri Glacier is Ganga. The largest river basin in India is Ganga Basin. The river joins Yamuna at Prayagraj or Allahabad is Ganga. The lifeline of Sundarbans is Ganga and Brahmaputra. The Sar of Bengal is Damodar. The Sar of Bihar is Kosi. River flows into the Arabian Sea is Narmada. The river flows through a rift valley is Narmada. River originates from Amarkantak Plateau is Narmada. Ganga up south is Godavari. Dakshin Ganga is Godavari. Longest tributary of Yamuna is Chambal. Longest tributary of Ganga is Yamuna. Largest delta in the world is Ganga and Brahmaputra delta. The shifting course of Bihar is Kosi. River originates from Mansarovar Lake is Indus. Longest river in peninsular India is Godavari. The lifeline of Rajasthan is Luni. Main tributary of Indus river is Jhelum river. Downward waterfall found by river Narmada. Lifeline of Assam is river Brahmaputra. River flows through Karnataka and Tamil Nadu is Kaveri. Twin sister of Narmada is Tapti. River flows through a silent valley national park in Kerala is Bhavani. The longest river in Kerala is Bharattapulla. River flows through the city of Bhopal is Betwa. Jog Falls formed by Sharavati. River originates from Mount Kailas in Tibet is Indus. River originates from Siachen Glacier is Nubra. River flows through Meghalaya Plateau is Barak. Border between Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh is river Krishna. River joins Ganga at Sultanganj in Bihar is Kosi. Main tributary of Krishna is Tungabhadra. River flows through the Union Territory of Dadra Nagar Haveli is Daman Ganga. River flows through the Lonar Lake in Maharashtra is Penganga. River originates from Vindhya range is Mahi. Longest tributary of river Krishna is Bhima. River originates from Aravalli range is Loni. Source of irrigation for Punjab, Haryana is river Sutlej. Source of water for Sardar Sarovar Dam is Narmada. Kolleru Lake in Andhra Pradesh formed by Krishna. Tributary of Ganga flows through Uttarakhand is Bhagirathi. Border between West Bengal and Jharkhand is Subarnarekha. River flows through Panna National Park is River Ken. River flows through Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary in Kerala is Periyar. Longest tributary of Indus River is river Sutlej. River flows through Konkan region of Maharashtra is Savitri. Border between Assam and Arunachal Pradesh is river Lohit. River flows through Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Rajasthan is river Gambhir. Longest west flowing river in India is river Narmada. Vruddha is known as Godavari. River flows through Kashmir Valley is river Jhelum. Perennial river in Rajasthan is river Chambal. Lifeline of Kerala is river Periyar. River flows through Indian desert is river Luni. Dudhsagar Falls formed by Mandovi. River originates from Mahabaleshwar Hills is Krishna. Second longest river in India is river Godavari. Longest tributary of Ganga in peninsular India is River Sun. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and share. Thank you.